Hey, accidents happen. Any pet owner knows that. But coming home to one of these accidents to see that Roomba made it worse, well, no one signed up for that. Sounds like a job for iRobot engineering. Poop comes in many shapes and sizes. We built over 100 physical models of poop. We trained our algorithms on over 100,000 images. At the end of the day, it worked. And the Roomba J7 comes fully equipped to both identify and avoid. Number 2.
Of the J7 vacuum, you'll find these big springy feet, which is something that's common in iRobot products that I really enjoy. It makes it so that the vacuum gets stuck in less spots and can more competently conquer things like high pile rugs. If you're shopping around for a new robot vacuum, you may have noticed that many iRobot Roomba models are offered in a letter number and a letter number plus version. The vacuum itself is the same, but the plus denotes that it's a model with clean base automatic dirt disposal capabilities. That's that taller tower that you see attached to the docking station. These devices self-empty at the end of every cleaning cycle, which is very loud but very effective, and you'll notice that they need far less upkeep on a regular basis. Instead of having to empty the dustbin after the end of every clean or every 2 cleans, or if you are like me and have a cat that just sheds partway through a clean, the iRobot Plus models with clean bases have to be emptied probably closer to every 2 months. If you are on the fence, I recommend go for it. They do take up more visual space, but the amount of maintenance that it completely eliminates from your life is fantastic. If you're wondering what makes the J7 and J7 Plus different from other iRobot Roomba models, I have an answer for you, but it is not very, how do we put this, eloquent. iRobot is introducing something that it calls precision vision navigation, but if you look into their product descriptions and marketing materials, it becomes pretty clear that it's actually just a poop avoidance technology. If you have a pet or a potty training child that sometimes has accidents in the house, and you've been avoiding getting a robot vacuum this far for that exact reason, please know that there is a camera on this device to try its best to avoid any poop mishaps in the house. I love an iRobot product with a clean base, and this one is no exception. It does a great job of cleaning tall carpets and rugs, less of a great job of cleaning really light carpets. You might want to set a keep out zone for those, and its mapping feature is fantastic. However, I did notice that it takes quite a long time to clean my home, and there's no option to turn down the intensity of the suction, so it's pretty loud. For my home, which is just under 700 square feet, I'm in a little apartment, the device took almost 3 hours to fully map my home through a number of sessions. And then after that, each subsequent daily clean, which is just one pass over the whole area, took 45 to 55 minutes. Because of this, I wouldn't recommend the J7 Plus to anyone looking for a super quick or quiet clean, but overall, it.